Let's go to school.
If I gas the bananas just right, they'll ripen overnight. These bananas are ready for delivery. And disaster. Come back. I've got a banana just for you.
Wow, a banana? For me? Thank you, mister.
Take more, little friend. You deserve a whole bunch.
The little kitten was so happy after getting bananas from the black rat, he ran to class to share them with his friends. Oh no! The little kitten and his friends ate the poisoned bananas without knowing anything. Oh my God! The whole class started feeling sick, and one by one, they had accidents in their pants. To you all. Help! My students are sick! Send an ambulance now! Thankfully, the doctors arrived just in time. The kitten and his friends took the medicine, and we're finally safe!
Teacher, the white kitten brought bananas to class this morning. The black rat called me back and gave me the bananas.
Officer, a black rat gave poisoned bananas to my students. They've all gotten sick.
Why are you arresting me? What crime did I commit? I don't know.